Henda uyanduna aunana zwimwe zwa vhazwa ri vha ni mafhungo fhedzi Tshivenda music and entertainment nṋe ndi kha ḓivha wavho ndi Dukani Suhana ndi ṅwana ndi wa maunguni ndi tshiri hanefho ne vha vha hone ndi a kholwa uri laptani liko vha fara zwavhuḓi. Okay, I wish I did a video more, but a time in as dagas na mini ai ko ri bangela mathada fhedzi ari okha ayo ndi ayo ndi rienda. If there's something zwine zwa uri dzi go vhuya mulo wa MTV you decide to visit the hottest MC. Honestly speaking, I don't know Genesis cards category kari what categorize an MC and all that. Man hongo to ambabo. Okay. You understand, Honesty C, you understand, aka Youngster, Questa, Shenigil, and KO, Nadia. Yeah, come on. Mara, so you know, I don't want to show my Josie. Like, let me be honest, my opinion based on this MC, this list as the MC, this thing is trash. This thing is just the flop. Like, this is a disrespect to the industry, to the artist. There's already of it. There is a Vicenderani. At the Divur my judge of Dami, no me, no Tangana mini Tony. Mara, honestly speaking, the list is just a disrespect. That's with my opinion. That's my opinion. This is Mumbro, this is Kuzubonanga. So we don't want to go to when the Kanamini. Send a list, okay, list your name. That's the list. That's the most embarrassing, disappointing list. Each time of Vanan Zakori comes in the list, you put it out and go there and the list in the list. Maran, I know Zubona. Holy shit. It's like, come on, nigga shit. Phew. I didn't know my India. No pere, what Nungori. Okay. A list by Chita or Muramini. But a list of characters number one in Dynasty C. Abasho Majosi, Yanga, aka Youngster, Questa, John Flag number 6, Shane Eagle, K on Riki, Waka number 8, Vidia, Waravara Nadia, and again Tama Pesolonica number 10, Ravana Boiti. And then I go to Visana, Strakanyana, already in that. Now I have to go to Minimara. I got to my memory. I shall it. Ay, Mara, Nezunda Comazone. Kaho muna tiko shava. Yes, ndizori shava ndizobatu. Kaho indiri. MTV arelicho mami sana gunwe. Mara ayo ndi ayo. Abaru ndi nyamala basungwa ngo download the music wa mahara ka www.benrepradiostation.co.za. And I'm out of here.